Hey everyone and welcome back. So today in this video I am about to show you the best home insurance in UK. So whether you are looking for a big amount of coverage, 24/7 customer support and wide range of features, I got you covered because we have multiple different insurances in here and you can simply choose the best one for you. So the first one in the list is the NFU Mutual bespoke home insurance, and this is really great because combined score is averaging about 69%. You can see we have 86%, and we have building score average 71%, and on different platforms we get different scores. You can opt for the best. We have LV Home Plus insurance, we have MNS Bank Premier home insurance. So the great thing about this is that if you simply look to the comparison sites, you can simply have different kind of comparisons. And yeah, so the scores are actually really great. As you can see, the 80% on Best Buy, we got 77%. So yeah, then we got Coverballo home insurance. We have NFU mutual home insurances with all these scores mentioned. And if you want to go in depth about, let me know in the comments below and I will make a video upon that as well.